How can we do sketch rendering in PROME AI? Well, we go to AI tools and click on sketch rendering. As you can see on the left, we can upload an image like this sketch here or this other one, then add a description, a man with a blue torch, or I could add an archer. I click improve PROM, which enhances it, then add a reference image if needed. We pick the model for the style. All seem to cost the same to generate. Let's choose V2, style as fantasy, scene as game character, and a man. For mode, we can select structure, which uses cutting-edge structure extraction tech to produce ultra-precise, high-quality results. The depth setting, ideal for real-life photos, nothing more. Scheme preserves most of the environment with some creativity, precise accuracy with conservative use of imagination, and, well, there are different options. Let's choose structure, we'll leave creativity as is, and then we have the advanced section where we could add negative prompts for things we don't want. For perspective, let's set a long shot. And for lighting, I like this lighting, and if we had premium, we could change the detail level and quick mode, and we'll ask for fewer images. Let's see if it allows, well, no, that's a premium feature if you want less. So it's for premium users, so let's hit generate, and it'll start generating the 3 images. And there we have the result. Honestly, it ignored the celestial torch bit, but we must admit it generated the face quite well, at least in this first frame. So that's it, simple as that. How can we improve image quality with PROME AI? Well, we simply go to the image enhancer and select it. Then we choose any image, for example, one that looks a bit poor. Okay, this one looks a little bad, somewhat blurry. We can give it a prompt if we want. Improving the suggestion, we just adjust the quality up or down and generate it. This way we'll be enhancing the image quality. Okay, basically AI takes what's on screen and regenerates it with higher quality, right? And here's the result. It's definitely improved the focus and everything's much better. It's that simple. Welcome to the best AI for generating architectural images. It's called PROME AI. Let's check out its AI tools. Beyond creating a texture lock render, which is basically taking a 3D model, we take this 3D model, for example, and render it. It also offers us the ability to, in architecture, we can generate designs inspirationally or with AI. We can change settings, renovate a house's exterior, show how interior renovations might look, or use an empty room for inspiration, or a panorama generator, which takes one image and gives us the option to create a 360-degree view. Let's try the interior renovation to show you how it works. We upload an image of our interior, like this large one here, and briefly explain what we want. I want to put an office here. We click on improve. If we were architects, we'd explain in more detail, but we're just testing the AI's creativity. We select the scene. If we don't want any, we choose none. Clicking interior, we can specify home office if desired. Renovation, what does that mean? It's activated if walls, floors, etc. Need renovation. I think the walls indeed need some work. I select these beams and the renovation tool will change them. Actually, I'll renovate it all. The windows are fine though, but I'll try to select it. Everything except the windows. Here we put, for example, a negative prompt. If we don't want something, we click negative and generate. Then it starts generating our image. Let's wait a moment. Now we're seeing the result. Remember the windows we had? The windows served as our reference point. This is the spot for the office. Here it might have gone a bit overboard with size, but this first reference is great inspiration for an office. That's how the various PROME AI tools work. It's that simple.